Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to create an event in Salesforce Lightning. So let's begin by understanding what is event in Salesforce. So in general, event are something that occur or a particularly something significant or uncommon. But in Salesforce, events are meeting with a beginning date, a beginning time and ending date and ending time. They enable you to schedule a meeting for account, deals or invitation you are in charge of. So let's move ahead and learn to create an event in Salesforce Lightning. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in a Lightning edition. If your account is not in a Lightning edition, firstly shift it to the Lightning one. So there are two ways to create an event in Salesforce Lightning, either via the activity section or directly from the calendar. So we will do each of them in detail. So firstly we will create an event using the activity. So follow the steps. So firstly you have to click on the setup and move to this basic setup, and from here you have a app launcher. Click on here and select an app. So here I select an community app. Now on above we have a list of tabs, and from here I select the contacts. You can directly search for the contacts if you want, either by searching for an app. Now select the name to whom you want to create an event. So here I want to create an event for this. So I select this one. It redirect to the page. Now you can see that on the left hand under this activity section we have a symbol of a new event. This is a new task. This one is a log a call and this one is a new event. So new event have a symbol of a calendar. Click on it. It open the new event page. Now it asks you to enter the subject. So here I set as a meeting. It asks you to enter the start date. So I set it to the 9 and the timing I want it to be at the 10:30 a.m. It ends at a 9 also, but at a 11:30 a.m. Okay, if this is a all day event, tick this box. Otherwise, leave it. Otherwise, leave it. So here you can see that the contact name is already filled. Now you can provide the account to which this contact is connected. So here you can click on this drop down. It shows you some option. You can search for, here I search camping. So you can search for the camping. It will give you the list of a camping also. So I select this one. It also asks you to enter the location if you want. You can add it. So now you can specify the location. So you can see that this is a meeting and we are setting this meeting at the cafe core. Okay, so now I click on this save button and you can see that it shows an event meeting was created. And after doing this, you can see that now event is shown up in the activity section under this upcoming and overdue section. So note one thing, the event will automatically transfer to the past activities section once the meeting date was passed. Okay. So now with this we have learned the first way to create an event using the activity. Now we will learn the next way to create an event, that is by using a calendar. So from here I click on a gear icon. I click on this setup and move to the new setup. Now here we have an app launcher. Click here. And in last we have a option of view all. Click on it. Now from here you can search for the calendar, or either you can scroll down and search. So here I click on a calendar now. So it will open a calendar. So here is the calendar. You can see that on a date 9, in between to 10:30 to 11:30, it create a meeting that we have created as an event by using the activity tab. Okay. So now let's create the new event with the help of the calendar. Now firstly you have to select the date. So suppose here I am selecting the date of 19 from the calendar. Now select the time. So my meeting is on 5 p.m. Here I click. So it open a pop-up of a new event. Or I'll show you one thing. Here you also have a button of a new event. You can click on here and the same pop-up is open. Okay. So here I click on time. Now you can see that it is assigned to me and you have to enter the location. So here I enter. You can enter the subject. So I add other. Its start date is selected. It end date or the time, if you want to change, you can change it. So I change it to 7:15, the end time. So if you want to select to whom it is related, you can select. So here you can see that the contact name is not already filled. So it shows up you the detail of the contacts. If you want to add, you can add it. It asks you for the description. You want to add, you can add. Otherwise click on a save button. So it saves the event other and shows you the message event other was created. So with this we have also learned to create an event using the calendar also. So today in this whole tutorial we have learned to create an event in a Salesforce Lightning by two different ways. The first one is using the activity and the second one is using the calendar. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.